In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress video in Veed.io. First, make sure you've finished all your edits and you're happy with how your video looks and sounds inside the Veed editor. Once you're ready to export, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Done. Go ahead and click that. This will open a small drop-down menu where you can configure your export settings. Inside this drop-down, you'll see a section for quality, and next to it, an icon or button for advanced settings. This is where the real control over compression lives. Click on the advanced settings icon and Veed will open a panel with several options that affect your final file size and quality. The first option you'll notice is the frame rate limit. This controls how many frames per second your video will play. You can adjust this anywhere between 5 and 60. A higher frame rate, like 60, looks very smooth but creates a larger file. If you don't need super smooth motion, setting it to 24 or 30 frames per second is usually enough and helps keep the file smaller. Next, you'll see the resolution options. Here you can choose from 480p, 720p, and a few presets for specific platforms, such as Instagram or certain social media formats. Resolution is one of the biggest factors in file size. Dropping from 1080p to 720p, for example, can significantly reduce the size while still looking good on most screens. If your video is mainly for mobile viewing, 480p can sometimes be perfectly fine and much lighter to share or upload. You'll also find a setting for overall quality, usually with options like low, standard, and high. Think of this as how much detail Veed keeps when it compresses your video. Low will give you the smallest file, but you may notice more visual artifacts. Standard is a good balance for most users. High is best if quality is your priority, and you don't mind a slightly larger file. Finally, there's a compression preference that lets you choose between higher quality or faster render. If you select higher quality, Veed will take a bit longer to process your video, but the result will generally look better at the same file size. If you choose faster render, your export will finish more quickly, which can be useful when you're in a hurry, though the compression might be a bit more aggressive. Once you've adjusted these settings to match your needs, you're essentially done. Your video is now set up to export in a compressed format that balances file size and quality based on the choices you've made.